How's it going, everybody? So, let's talk about the Bible for a minute. The Bible is the Word of God. The Bible is perfect. There are no lies in the Bible. At least, I believe that to be true. I do not believe the Bible tells literal lies for the sake of allegories. So, when I read Joshua chapter 10 verse 12, where it says the sun stopped moving in the sky, I believe the Bible is telling us the sun stopped moving in the sky and not that the earth stopped spinning. Let's get off the topic of the Bible for a minute. Let's talk about airplanes for a minute. Let's talk about the spinning globe, actually. Let's get into that. They say that the globe has a circumference of 25,000 miles approximately. It spins at approximately 1,000 miles an hour at the equator and 0 miles an hour at the poles. So now let's talk about planes. Let's say a plane wanted to fly from Juneau, Alaska to Los Angeles, California. That plane is leaving a spot where the ground is moving at approximately 100 miles an hour and attempting to land in a spot, Los Angeles, California, where the ground is moving at 500 miles an hour. Now, I'm not a mathematician and I'm not an expert on math, but I think I know enough about relativity to say that that airplane should be relative to the spot it left. That airplane is moving at 100 miles an hour when it is stationary on the ground and not moving at all. And then as it leaves the ground, it is moving at the speed of the airplane plus 100 miles an hour. And now that airplane is attempting to land on a surface that is moving at 500 miles an hour. It would be like trying to land on a moving target. But that's not the case. Planes are able to land anywhere on Earth with not a problem. And they're called airplanes, by the way, because they fly over flat plains. Airplanes fly over plains, not curvature. Let's talk about this for a minute. The Earth has a circumference. They say the Earth's circumference is 25,000 miles. That means that the Earth curves away from you at 8 inches per mile squared. So in just 60 miles, the Earth has curved over 2,500 feet. It is curved over half a mile in just 60 miles. A pilot flying a plane over a curving surface would have to continually dip the nose down in order to stay around the curving surface and to prevent that plane from gaining altitude. Gravity's effect on a flying plane is zero. A plane is flying, therefore it has taken gravity out of the equation. No pilot has to ever dip the nose down to stay around the curving surface, because the surface doesn't curve. The surface is flat. It is a plane. I will debate anybody on this topic anytime, any day. If you guys have any questions, shoot me your questions. I'd be more than happy to answer them. If you guys like this video, you can like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.